Have you ever been traveling and seen construction workers close to the road and work zones? How are these people safe in such a dangerous situation? Well, Royal Truck and Equipment manufactures TMA trucks that save lives. A TMA truck is a safety truck that is used to protect construction workers and drivers. They are equipped with attenuators that are designed to absorb the impact of crashes. At Royal Truck and Equipment, they custom design a truck to meet the customer's needs.
My name is Tony Sims. My job title is Vice President of Operations at Royal Truck.
My name is John Wenk. I am the project engineer.
My name is C.K. Madura and I'm the Vice President of Sales.
I'm Teresa Delgado and I'm the Director of Marketing here at Royal Truck and Equipment.
My name is Taylor Wills and I am a Marketing Coordinator here at Royal Truck and Equipment.
We have become the leader in the industry for TMA trucks.
Royal Truck and Equipment build a variety of products to supply customers with life-saving equipment that protect construction workers out on the highway. My role is important to ensure that all of our departments are aligned with the same goals, same responsibilities. Work with the different departments to coordinate, bringing all the parts together and see the finished product that's going out to our customers.
So my main tool is going to be 3D modeling software. To create the 3D model and representation and act as the liaison between sales and production, which will allow that visual representation to coordinate any measures in between both production, inventory control, and sales.
The coolest part of the job is to ensure that all of our employees are going to stay safe.
To date, we have sold across all of North America. We've sold outside of our country, in fact.
So it's nice being able to work with them, talk to a bunch of different people and help them keep their people safe and let them go home to their families every night.
My favorite part of this job is we're not just building another truck, we're building something that's going to go out and save lives and protect lives so that people can go home to their families.
Thank you, Royal Truck and Equipment, for teaching us about safety in your trucks. Keep doing a great job of saving lives.